Hello guys, welcome to the channel Phone Mania. So in today's video, we are going to unbox the Iqoo Z7 Pro. This is the 8GB to 5GB variant graphite matte color. So guys, let's start off from the unboxing. So starting off, we are getting the Iqoo phone itself. So let's keep it aside. And here we are getting some IMA stickers. And apart from that, we are getting the case. It's a transparent case, it's a smooth one. And then we are getting important information and warranty card. Then a quick start guide. And then we are getting a USB Type A to USB Type C data cables. So let's put it over here, and then we have a simulation tool, and then we are getting a 66-watt Vivo flash charger over here. So that's all we are getting over there. And now this is the phone. So let me take it out. Oh wow, this is an absolute matte finish and feels silky smooth to the back. And it has got no fingerprint lines. You can see it's completely neat and clean. And here it's written Aura Light OIS portrait, and this is it. And the best part is regarding the in-hand feel, because the front display is curved along with this back is also curved. That makes it essentially a best in-hand feel. You can see in this segment, you can see the in-hand feel of the phone, as well as it feels really slim and super sleek in my hands. You can see how it feels really slim and sleek, and a really good in-hand feel also. So that's it. Oh man, what a display. Just look at this gorgeous display over here. You can see the sides, and it's really smooth. You can see, wow. So let's quickly check the display settings. So here we're getting a few visual enhancement options and smart screen refresh rate options, along with some screen color options. For maximum color vibrancy, you should put it on bright. So, and we have dark theme. So this is how it looks. Wow, really nice. And this is a camera UI, and we have night mode, portrait mode, photo mode. And let's check the video. So let's see, maximum we can record up to 4K 30 fps, and we have also a stabilization option also at 4K 30 fps, and along with that 180p at 30 fps we have stabilization. If you put to 180p at 60, automatically if you turn on stabilization, it would go to 180p at 30 fps. And apart from that, we have 64 dedicated mode, panoramic mode, document mode, slow motion, time lapse, pro mode, and sports, dual view front and back at the same time, and then the live photo. Let's quickly check the fingerprint scanner as well as face recognition. So you can see the fingerprint scanner. Okay, rapid first, once again in 3, 2, and go. Okay, once again 3, 2, and go. Once again. Okay, fine. Now it's time for the face recognition in 3, 2, and go. Oh, rapid fast, you can see. Oh, super fast fingerprint scanner as well as face recognition. So guys, that was it, a quick unboxing of the Vivo Iqoo Z7 in the graphite matte color. Which color do you personally like? Is this color or the blue logo in the theme color? Comment down below. Thank you.